Oh my gosh, real quick too. Do I look like the owner to this dog? Or can you see it? And then me, I'm like, I'm the owner. I'm the owner. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boring Susan, and today I'm going to be reviewing, or unboxing if you will, the Deluxe mystery box from the winter collection, Jeffree Star, you know the tea. Let's get into this box. I'm super excited about this one. This has 7 items and retails for $120. Kind of a big deal, so let's open her up. Oh, this has a clothing item in it too, so that's cute. Should we go over that? Ooh, I already see the contents and I'm kind of hyped. Okay, well, we have the shirt. I'll show that in a second, but do you want to see what the inside of the box looks like? Oh, ooh, hi, how are you? So cute. So there is the t-shirt. This looks like the one that I've seen previously. Let's open her up for a real one. What is it? Let's see. Yes, it has the Jeffree Star logo. It's a long sleeve. She's cute. And we do have that snowflake moment. If you saw my other video, my prediction video, I was really wanting some snowflakes. So we did get some snowflake. Super cute. We love that. Super excited. I did see that piece, so I'm not shocked by it, but it's cute. We love that. Continuing on, let's get into the big monkey junkie. Oh, and I see something I'm really excited about. Here we have the Shane Dawson collaboration, the lip set, in this gorgeous packaging. Let's open her up. There we have inside the lip shade, which is so beautiful. We love that. It comes with a total of 6 lip shades in the velour liquid lip formula, so that's amazing. Oh my goodness. Next, we have a velvet trap. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I have mine in the shade Diet Mannequin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You'll see close-ups of this. I can't wait. Ooh, it's a gorgeous nude shade. We love that. I know I've seen different people get different things, so I love the color I have. That's really stunning. Absolutely gagged on this packaging. So iconic. So we love that. Next, we have a velour liquid lip in the shade Blood. Oh, Unicorn Blood, girl. I love the shade. This is super fantastic. One of the classics. Ooh, it matches my background. Hi. Such a classic shade. If you don't own this, this is a staple, honestly. One of my favorite shades. I was actually just about out of my other one, so this is perfect. Thank you so much. Even though I bought it. Didn't even know. And then next we have the velour lip liner, and this is in the shade Scorpio, which is beautiful. I have the liquid lip of this, so that's kind of fun to have the lip liner. I'm excited for that. It's a gorgeous, like, muted purple plummy shade. Really stunning. Next in this box, we have the gloss. Oh, we love. And this is in the shade Mouthful. This is from the Orgy collection, which we have seen in some of the other boxes. How iconic. The Orgy collection, though, I really like that because there's a lot of, like, neutral stuff. So I'm like, you can never go wrong. This whole box really matched this background well. She did good, didn't she? What a great gloss, because you can really wear it with anything. So, obsessed with that. The final, and in my opinion, the most exciting thing in this box is the Orgy palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. I didn't buy this palette or the cremated because I had a feeling that I should wait. And I'm so glad that I did. Because now it's like a fun surprise, you know? Oh my gosh. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. These glasses are making me feel some type of way. Oh, so pretty. Should we open her up? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Jeffree. Ah! Okay, I love. Cute. And then we just got some cute fun impression neutrals. We love that. I'll do a close-up shot of this so you can really get a feel for it if you haven't seen it already. I mean, it's iconic. What a great neutral. You really have everything in the neutral family. So really excited about that. Anyways, that was this box. This $120, 7 items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Really iconic. I was really excited about this box, obviously. Super amazing. I did unbox the other 3 boxes on my YouTube channel, so if you want to check those out, give them a little view, give them a little peek, see what I got in those. But I'm super jazzed about this box. It turned out incredibly well, and a lot of great things that I don't own, so I'm really excited about that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. As I said, I have the other 3 videos on my channel if you want to check those out. But have a wonderful day, wonderful night, wonderful whatever. This box made me so excited. I was like flustered the whole time because I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. But super iconic. Oh my gosh, I love. Anyways, me and my dog. Hi dog, how are you? She's so cute. We love her. She doesn't have a name. Comment down below like what her name should be because she's fabulous, honestly. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I would love to know as well if you got a different variation of this box. I still need to watch some more videos and see what other people have got. So I'd love if you left that down below if you got this box. But anyways, thank you so much. My outro's coming in 3, 2, 1.